Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
If this is the first time that you're clicking on my video, I am Sasha. Welcome. If you're new here and you like our content so far or what I'm doing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps your girl a lot. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, aka the like button. So yeah, by the title you know what we'll be doing. I am going to be showing you guys like my baking equipment and tools that I use, you know, the collection of what I've gathered over the years, over the months. As you know, I am an aspiring baker and I love to do this, so I've been collecting things, you know, little until I have a good collection of things where I can share with you guys, especially if you're an aspiring baker and want to know like what tools you need at first. Then you can go on and keep collecting. Then this is the video for you. Or you just want to take your mind off things going on right now, this is a fun little video for you guys. And also, if you just want to know what we use, if you're not really a baker but you want to know the things that we as bakers use, then keep on watching. Yeah, so let's get this show on the road. Okay, so by the thumbnail you see that I have a lot of bakeware as in baking tins, muffin tins and all that good stuff. So I'm going to start off with, you know, every baker needs a round bakeware or a round baking pan or a round tin. You know, this is 6 inch. You have different inches. I think my mom owns about 3 other baked tins, so I didn't need to get a lot, and we normally use them around Christmas time. But as I got into it, I started to collect more. This is the 6 inch. You got 8 inch, 12 inch. You know, this cake tin, because it's so small and there are times I just want to experiment and not use a lot of butter, meaning less ingredients to buy, I said why not try the 6 inch cake pan instead of like the 8 inch or the 12 inch. So this is why I got it. It's so small and cute, especially if you're an aspiring baker and you just want to experiment using small amount of butter. Then this is for you. I think you can bake cheesecake in this as well, but I prefer the spring foam pan where you can actually take off the sides and remove it to get the cheesecake out properly. So yeah, then I have my bread pans. I think that's what they're called, pudding pans, bread pans. I got this smaller one here. I'm not sure of the size, but I got this cute little one. I thought it was cute, really. I think it's about 2-3 times I've ever baked something in this. Yeah, it's just cute, so I said why not. It's not a necessity, you know, but the round cake tin is a necessity if you want to start off, you know, with different inches, different size cakes. You know, you can experiment with that. This, if you want to bake like banana breads, if you want to do like even a bread itself, and cake can do in this as well. That would be pound cake. Even if it's not pound cake, it still can be cake, but I know it's for like banana breads, pudding, all that good stuff. So yeah, it's good to have this. It's not a necessity, as I said, but it's good to have these. And then I have my it's a brownie pan. I have to read this, I forgot what it was. It's a brownie pan, so if you like brownies, if you want to experiment, this is how your brownie pan look. I've used this about 2-3 times now, and I've not only used it for brownie. As you can see, if you check out my the video of me baking a vanilla cake, you'll see that I use it for this as well. So it's like a sheet cake as well. So yeah, you need a brownie pan as well if you're into brownies. I feel like when you're starting off with baking, you're gonna find your niche. Some people prefer to just bake cupcakes, some prefer to just do cakes, some just prefer to like wedding cakes, normal size cakes, muffins, some is just like pizza, you know, or some is just variety. Like me, I like to experiment with different pastries. As long as it's pastries, then I am your girl. Then I have my cupcake tins right here. So this is also a necessity if you're going to start off with baking. And I have the the cupcake liners to go alongside, so you don't want to really mess up your pan, although this is already messed up, but you get the gist. You can put your liners inside of the pans, and then you easily have your cupcake, and you just roll down the liners and consume your cupcakes, of course. So yeah, I have my cupcake tin. You can get muffin tins as well. These are necessities if you're starting off. They're so like affordable here where I got them. I think it was in BACKK. I think these are from Smart Cook. I think that's the name, because I have a pizza pan that I'm going to show you next, which is from Smart Cook. I haven't used it as yet, but this is a 12-inch 12.5-inch pizza pan. I haven't used this as yet, but I've done a lot of pizzas when I was in school, and where else I've done it at home as well a few times, but I thought I was going to do pizza recently and didn't get to it, so I just have this here just in case when I'm ready to start, guys. You guys are going to be the first to know when I do my pizza. So yeah, if you're into pizzas, you're going to need your pizza pan. You don't have to, but these are just what I have right now. Oh, the sun. Then you're going to need your sheet thins. That's what they're called, sheet thins. As you can see, guys, don't mind, I have these things for quite a while. As you know, I do meringue drops on these, I do cookies, I do anything where I have to drop a certain butter to get me those like small cute cookies or meringues. These are the things you use. And in my recent video I used this, was it this? Yeah, to do the rolled up cake, to do the ice cream cake on. So yeah, these can bake cakes in, but not really. These are more likely for cookies, like if you're into cookies, if you're into meringue drops, then these are for you. I have the small one and I have the bigger one. So sizes differ. You're gonna need these, of course, like if you're into cookies and meringue drops and coconut drops. And what else? Any small treats that need you to put on a liner sheet like this, then you're going to need these. All these two are necessity alongside the round cake pans. You're into all this stuff. Pizza pan, brownie pan, the banana bread pan. Those are like if you want to expand on your baking skills, then go for it. Like yeah, those are, I think these are all the bakeware stuff that I have, the bakeware stuff. So on to the other items. Okay guys, so these were the sheets, the cookie. These were the muffin or the cupcake liners I was talking about that you put inside the cupcake tin, just to, like, you know, prevent it from messiness and to keep your cupcakes looking cute. So I have a few of these, and it comes in this little thing here, about 50 or more, I believe. That's in this cute little holder. So good to have these liners. It can be done without the liners, but what good is a cupcake without the cup? Like, think about it. So if you're not able to purchase the bakewares, there are also aluminum pans that you can also use until you're able to afford these things, because I know all these things can be like you have to start somewhere before you can reach somewhere, if that makes sense, you know. So instead of the bread or the pudding pan, you could use these. These are just like the same, you know. These are no, they're not reusable, but they're recyclable. I know that these are affordable than the actual thing, but it's better to invest in the actual pan. But I mean, like, you can use this in the meanwhile until you're able to get the actual thing. And then you also have the aluminum sheet things. You know, these already people use at Christmas time to do their turkeys or whatever they do. What do they do? Mac and cheese, macaroni and cheese. So these are good as well to use as sheet pans for cakes. You can do that with cakes as well if you're not able to afford the actual sheet pan. But until then, you can use this so you can get the actual thing. Okay guys, I kind of moved because the sun was coming in on me. So on to the next item. You're going to need a scale. like a scale. It's going to help you a lot. Like if you're like me and have a problem when it comes on to maths or measuring stuff at times, then this is going to be handy for you. I think I paid 1,000 Jamaican dollars for this, or under that. It was affordable. Like, I don't know, I always get these type of things when there's some deal going on or the place is affordable. I don't know, like I am blessed, that's all I can say. So you can get these for $10 US or $1,000 Jamaican or more, depending. So it uses a round battery. Let me show you guys. This is the battery that it uses, so be mindful of that. I think you have the one that use the actual what's it, AAA batteries. So yeah, this is for measuring, you know, and it comes with the cover on it. But you can actually use, say you have a bowl. Once the bowl can actually set on it, you're able to measure the quantity of your ingredients. So on it, on the mode part, turn it on. This is how it looks when it turns on. Okay, nothing is on it now, but why is it not on 0? What's going on? All right, here it goes. So you have a pound. You can weigh pounds, ounce, fluid ounce. What else again? Under here you can change it from grams to pounds. You know, it's just good to have to measure your stuff, so it tell you accurate as to how much it weighs. If the recipe calls for 40 grams, you're able to measure 40 grams. If it calls for ounce, it's able to measure ounce. So you get the gist, because some recipes aren't like cups. Some recipes are grams, some are ounce, depending on where you get your recipes from. So it's good that you have a device that can be versatile, and it's so helpful to have one of these when you're first starting off. Okay, invest in one. It's good. Yeah, and speaking of measuring, as you know, I love my measuring cups. Like, I don't know why I got 2 of them, but they were like $200 in Jamaican, $2 in US. I am not sure on that price. It was not costly at all. I thought they were different and somehow got the same. So you don't need 2 like me. I don't know what was going through my head, but I didn't buy them at the same time, different. But you have the metal ones. I think the metal ones are better, but you know me, I was trying to get these things on a budget, and you know, people love to get things on budget. Like, why not? So yeah, you have your 1.5 teaspoon. I can't call some of them something here. Half teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, half cup, 1 cup. You get the gist. So it's good to have to measure out your ingredients. Oh guys, and I also have a video where I was unboxing some other cake things I got from Wilton. Yeah, if you have not seen that video, go and watch it. I'll probably put the place card somewhere along the screen, so click on it to check out that unboxing. Yeah, it was fun, so check it out. I'm not gonna add those in it just because I've already done a video unboxing them. So next, you're gonna need some utensils. Why do I look like this though? Oh, okay. Yeah, so you're gonna need your strainer. As you see, I got this recently, as I said in my previous video, where it's so good, you know how to sieve out your things. If anything is in your dry ingredients, this will help you out to throw it away. So you need that. You need your whisk, you need your spatula. These things are good to have. This is my go-to girl. She call her something in a greenie and me have been through a lot. Greenie, look how greenie I come now. She kind of tear away, I know, but so it's going one day me have to change her and give her sister. You me talk about the spatula. So you're gonna need a offset spatula. I don't think this is an offset spatula. I don't really know what this is, but I use it to ice my cakes at times. I know, but I think my grand aunt have this for years now, and I took it over. So it's kind of like an offset spatula, but it's not bent. So yeah, not really a necessity, but it's good to have offset spatulas. Like right now I need one, but with the time I go and money. So okay, and you're gonna need, of course, your mixer. Like, how could you not have a mixer? So you're gonna need a mixer. These are the attachments to it, of course. So you have the stand mixer and the hand mixer. The stand one is what you see me using when I was doing the vanilla cake recipe. Go and check that out if you have not checked it out. And the stand one, the hand one, sorry, I keep mixing it up. You know, you have it wherever you want to like make your cake. So it's good to have these two, but these are what most of us can afford, which is the hand one. I am lucky, I'm blessed to have the stand one because of my grandma, because she traveled back in her day and she, you know, bought one, so it's in my family for generations now. So good to have one of these, invest in one. I think this was 2,000 Jamaican dollars, I think that are three, I'm not sure, but it's affordable. Invest in one of these guys. Like if you want to start off, invest in one. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to record everything that I have, but I'm trying. If anything, what I don't do on here, I'll probably do a part 2, who knows, or do the whole thing, but bear with me. So you're gonna need your piping bags, of course. So I use these normally. I know I have a video where I use plastic bags just because I couldn't find any, but these are what I normally go for. This is how they look. These are good to have. They're strong, durable. I recommend this. It's about 90 had Jamaican dollars, so it's around about $1 in US. So it's affordable. So I have a couple of these when I'm gonna ice in my cakes, so good to have. So guys, as you know, this is my handy dandy mixing bowl. You're gonna have, you want to have some mixing bowls. I normally use the metal ones, but as of recent I got the glass one since it's a trend and you girl want to, you know, keep up to date with the things surrounding baking. So I got this. You don't have to use glass, you can use metals, you can use plastic, but glass is good as well, especially if you're a YouTuber like myself, and when you're doing your mixtures you want people to see what you're doing, then it's good to have. Not a necessity, but good to have. Then you're gonna need your pot holders, or your what is it called again? Tell me down in the comment section, guys. I kind of forgot. Oven mitt? Oh yeah, oven mitt. So never mind. So this is your pot holder, your oven mitt. Take out the hot baking pan out of the oven. This will help as well. So good to invest in these things so you don't burn yourself, you know. And last but not least, making this video come to an end, you know, don't want to drag it out too long. You're gonna need your kitchen towels, your kitchen cloths to help you wipe out your bowls and dry off things that are wet, of course. So good to have a few of these on hand. So yeah, these are about it. I have a few more stuff, but I just feel like to cut the video right here because I know you won't be able to get everything on here, but these are what I have in my collection. And the things that I said is a necessity if you're an aspiring baker, you just want to get some of these things, and these are the things I want you to buy, you know, from a aspiring baker to another, or to somebody just want to, you know, get these items. So I hope I helped you in some way. I hope you find this video enjoyable, and yeah, don't forget again to hit that like button, support your girl, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you know, that red little subscribe button that you see, and that like button, just click them, mash them up, click them. Yeah guys, so thank you so much for joining me, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.